Hey guys, so I had a broken figure. What was broken was this line from the gun over to his hip on the Golden Age Sandman regular version. There was a variant with a more World War I gas mask, which I guess is more accurate. Anyway, the way I fixed this, yesterday I showed you how I found a couple bottles of spray perfume. Well, they had these super thin pickup tubes, and I thought, well, if I strip a twist tie wire, and I'll show you here where I used heat, of course, to just pull it off, but it fits inside there, and so then this little tube becomes moldable, and I could put that curve in. Also, at the end, therefore, I can extend the metal insert a little farther, and I ended up using it to connect, because basically what you had are two C-type protrusions with a hole in the middle. So basically the way it came was the gun had a larger end, went through the C thing at the bottom of the gun, and then it came over to the hip, and you had to take the gun out. This picture's not clear enough, and connect it. Now, once again, the plastic they used wasn't long for this world. It was lacking structural integrity over time. So anyway, I mounted him on a DC base. I don't remember where this is from. I gave him some PI files and stole this logo from the original packaging that it came in. So, I painted it after I put it on, not sure if the acrylic paint would stay on. By the way, I finally did get my paint that I had ordered a while ago. It came all the way from Pennsylvania. So I have these testers, military colors, basically earth tones. And I made, out of the box, I made this little tray for the tray, and then I have this as a garbage receptacle for the paper towels, and this would be my water or solvent cleaner. And over here I also have an additional place I can put my brush. So you know me, never wanting to waste a single thing, so I have this nice little painting station now. Anyway, so there we go, a repair with found objects that I just found. And I am out.